How to log into Wise on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into the Wise application on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically go ahead and then log into the Wise application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Wise application here, and then you should be able to see this type of information where you can directly just tap on the get started option that you will be able to find it here. Now if you have not yet registered an account, you can just make sure to tap the register option over here, but assuming you already have an account, you can just tap the login. If you are signing in with Apple, you can sign in with Apple ID as well. So you can go to the login page and then just make sure to enter your email address over here for your Wise account, and once you make sure to enter your email address, you can also tap on the password option in order to actually log in with your password. If you're not sure what password you've typed in, you can tap the I button, or you can directly tap the login option, and you can also log in with your Apple, Facebook or your Google account. This way you will be able to log into Wise app on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.